Congratulations, you found my hidden video. If you find this, then congratulations, you have just won the game of life. And I am extremely proud of you, and you are very clever, and that's enough praising you. But first, let me just say, I'm going to show you how to make this bracelet. It's my Po-Pee-Po bracelet. So for this bracelet, you're going to need some bands going down the center for the dark green. You're going to need some green bands. These are two separate stripes, so you can make them different colors if you would like. And same with the white, they're two separate stripes, so you can make them different colors. So, let's get started. You're going to need a monster tail for this, although if you want, I can do a rainbow loom tutorial. And to start off, I'm going to be using basically one different color for each stripe. But to start off, you're going to be taking your first color on each side. On this side it will be blue, and on this side it will be pink. I'm going to put the blue in a triangle at the very end on the left, and I'll put the pink in a triangle at the very end on the right. And now you're going to twist your bands. Doesn't matter what way you twist them, as long as you do. Like that. There's something wrong with my voice today. I don't know what it is. Anyways, now you're going to take your next color. These are basically the green stripes. On this side I'll be using glittery blue. This side glittery pink. Kind of put your blue in right here. In a square. And now you're going to twist it. Doesn't matter what direction as long as you twist it. And now you're going to loop the blue over, the sparkly blue, and now I'm going to put on the sparkly pink. And when you place on these squares, you got to make sure that this red dot is always on the right. But anyways, now I twist the pink as well. And then you loop over the blue and the darker pink. And then we'll be using clear for this next part. Just going to put a line right down the center. And then you're going to loop over the pink underneath. I'll show you the band placement one more time. Put your blue on as the left triangle, and then your pink on as the right. And now you're going to loop over all bands underneath. And there you're going to put on a sparkly blue on the left, making sure your red dot's always on the right. And loop over all bands underneath. And then we're going to do the pink. And now down the very center, you're going to put your clear. And then you're going to repeat this process for the whole bracelet, and I'm going to come back to show you how to finish it. Okay, so I've made my bracelet long enough that it'll go around my wrist, and it should look something like this. And now to finish this, I'm going to take the bottom right band, pull it into the center, take the bottom left band, pull it into the center, and then on the top you take the top left band, pull it into the center, and then the top right band, pull it into the center. And then you're going to take this pink on the right, pull it to the bottom center, and then take the blue band on the left, pull it to the top center, and push down. And now you take your middle color, which was clear for me, put it on these two pegs, and then loop all 4 bands underneath over and onto it. And then you take this bottom band and pull it up to meet the top band. And now you take your C-clip and you clip it. And then you take your C-clip, basically find any place where you can clip it, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna clip it right here. And there's your bracelet. Hope you enjoyed this secret tutorial. And please no one spoil this for me anywhere. If you're going to post a picture on Instagram or something, don't tell anyone where you found the tutorial. I want this to be a big ol' secret. But yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for finding this, bye bye.